How do you remember that? Oh. Oh my god.
We're opening some presents. This one, yeah, that's perfect.
God, baby. Nice wrapping. Baby. Oh my god, baby. Erika? Oh my god. 들었어? Wow, it's so good. How do you do that?
What's it though? Make sure you use conditioner.
Huh?
Make sure you use conditioner.
I should?
Yeah.
Okay.
真的滴小的 You have to let it sit.
Yep.
Okay. Can you pick one of the pens and wear it?
For what?
Please.
Okay. And this?
Yeah.
Good morning. What you get, boys? Ready, boys? John, ready? Yeah.
Mine's guy.
Green paper in his red right hand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tenge. Happy birthday to you. Pew, pew, pew. Wow. I'm confused. That's such a honest reaction. I'm so confused. 사실 오늘 버릇 좋죠? 그냥 서체들인데.
땡겨 맛있어. 간데스. 아주. 그냥 가릴래. 아 들어오래. 나 돌아오래. You have everything.
아, 근데 정말 누구야? 쑥. 리버.
에스프레소 마티니예요.
레몬 주스.
아, 레몬이요? 저 먹어서.
I'm very much like a family girl.
That's why we invited you here. Surprise! Oh my god!
đi ở giữa của nó.
Jetzt brennt du, glaubst
Jetzt brennt der fest, ja.
Hello.
On a gathering storm comes a tall, handsome man in a dusty black coat with a red right hand.
Ja.
Wrap you in his arms, tell you that you've been a good boy. Rekindle all the dreams that took you a lifetime to destroy. He'll reach deep into the hole, heal your shrinking soul, but there won't be a single thing that you can do. He's a god, he's a man, he's a ghost, he's a ghost.
There are whispering his name through this disappearing land, but hidden in his coat is a red right hand. Like steak and eggs and avocado.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday, dear Tenge. Happy birthday to you. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag, liebe Tenge. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Kegi tungala shidele, tungala shidele. Kegi tungala shidele. Kegi tungala shidele. 英雄漂亮。
Order of the Peaky Blinders.
Happy birthday.